thank you for coming to see me today, Ashley. What we're going to do today is we're going to do the PHQ-9, which is the Patient Health Questionnaire. Okay, for this, I've written down the answers for you. It's going to be either not at all if it never happens, several days if it's happened a bit, more than half the days, or nearly every day. Okay?
Okay.
So, in these questions, it'll be over. Just think over the last 2 weeks of what's going on. Okay? And then I'm going to be scoring on here, and we'll go over the results when we're done.
Okay.
So in the past 2 weeks, have you had little interest or pleasure in doing things?
Several days.
Have you had times where you're feeling down, depressed, or hopeless?
Several days.
In the past 2 weeks, have you had trouble falling or staying asleep, or the opposite, sleeping too much?
Nearly every day.
What about feeling tired or having very little energy?
Several days.
Have you had a poor appetite or been overeating in the last 2 weeks?
Several days.
Has there been any times that you have felt bad about yourself, or that maybe you're a failure, or that you let yourself or your family down?
Several days.
Okay, and within the past 2 weeks, have you had trouble concentrating on things such as reading the newspaper, doing homework, housework, watching TV?
Several days.
What about in your motor skills? Have you been moving or speaking so slowly that others could have noticed, or maybe the opposite? Have you been going so fast that people would have noticed?
Not at all.
And have you had thoughts that you would be better off dead or hurting yourself?
Not at all.
Okay. Let me add these up, and then we'll go over the results of it real quick. Okay. And one more question. If you have checked any of these off, which you have, how difficult have these problems made it for you to do your work, take care of things at home, or get along with other people?
Fairly hard.
So, very difficult? Would you say very difficult or extremely difficult?
Very difficult.
Okay, let me add these up real quick. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you had a score of 9. Now on this, a score of 9 puts you into the mild depression category, which is great. It means that you don't have a lot of depression, but there are still some things that get to you. One thing I would like to do is have you come back for further sessions, and maybe we'll work out a treatment plan for you to battle some of these things. We can look at areas that you are having problems, like the area that you said 3, or you said nearly every day, which was the trouble falling asleep or staying asleep, or sleeping too much. We can talk about that and see maybe if we can find some of the outlying issues
Sleeping at the wrong time.
around that, and that could be it too. Just the wrong time of day, or because it is very important to establish a steady sleeping pattern and to have a stable sleeping pattern. It really helps because sleeping helps you focus on a lot of the other stuff as well. So do you care if I come back at a later date and we'll do a treatment plan and we'll go over some of that stuff?
Okay.
All right, thank you very much.